In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page on Squarespace. If you manage a growing site, knowing exactly where to locate a page saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. I'll walk you through a clear, simple process and share a few helpful tips along the way so you can quickly get to any page you need. First, look to the left side of your Squarespace dashboard. You'll see the main navigation menu. Click Website on the left. This opens the workspace for your site, where you control structure, content, and design. Next, go to Pages. This is the central hub for everything that appears on your site's navigation, as well as sections that aren't linked publicly. When you open Pages, you'll see a list of all your pages. They're typically grouped by areas like main navigation and not linked sections. If you use folders or nested pages, you may need to expand a folder to view what's inside. Take a moment to scroll and scan the list so you get a feel for how everything is organized. At the top of the Pages panel, you'll notice a search icon, usually shown as a small magnifying glass. Click on it. This is the quickest way to locate a specific page without digging through folders or long lists. Now, type any keywords to search for the page you want. Think of words that appear in the page's title, or a unique phrase you remember using in the name. As you type, the list will filter in real time, showing only the pages that match your search. You don't need to type the full title. Partial words often work just fine. If you're not seeing what you expect, try a different word or a shorter fragment. The search is designed to be forgiving, so simple, distinctive terms usually do the trick. A quick tip here. If your site has multiple sections, remember that the search looks across the entire Pages panel, including items that aren't linked in your navigation. That means even draft or hidden pages can be found with the same search, making it ideal when you're cleaning up or revisiting older work. If you still don't see the page you're looking for, confirm that you're in the correct site in your account, then try the search again. And there you go. Using the Pages panel and the built-in search icon is the fastest, most reliable way to find any page on Squarespace. That's all. If you found this helpful, keep this approach in mind whenever you add new pages or reorganize your site. It'll save you time every single visit.